In recent time, Facebook launched a new social media platform called Trend. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started with Trend, a giant social media platform that was launched by Facebook just of recent. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about this particular new Trend social media platform, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can get started, install, and how you can use Trend social media app on Android phone. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is that you need to make sure you head over to your Play Store on your Android phone. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to make use of search bar right here and make sure you type in Trend. That's the name of the app. And then the result you need to click is Trends Instagram. So you're going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this one right here. So you can see the interface and things like that. So what you need to do next is to click on install. So after a successful installation, the next thing you want to do is to click on open right here. So next thing you want to do, if you have an Instagram account already, what you need to do is to click on here or you switch an account. So I'm going to click on here to log in with my Instagram account. So right here, you can add a new bio and a new link, or better still, you can import from your existing Instagram account. So I'm going to import from this, click on import from my existing Instagram account. So everything will be automatically imported. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue right here. Then at this point here, you need to decide you want to make your profile public or private. You have to tap on here and you make it private. If you want it to be private, you have to tap on here. If you want it to be public, you have to tap on public profile. So I'm making it public, and you have to click on continue. Then your previous followers is going to be presented in your old Instagram account. Just click on follow all. So right here, these are just how the trends work. Trends was powered by Instagram, and the verifies and your data is also protected. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to click on join trends. So you will be taken in just like what you see right here, and right here what you can do on trend is just like normal. It's just like a rebranding of Instagram account into trend. So right here is the home page, and right here is the search bar for your, if you are searching for whatever as far as that icon is concerned. Right here is all your likes and love, stuff like that, and right here is where you access your profile. Okay, so let me click on that. So the profile is going to be taken right here, and so you're going to have your fresh profile right here, and you want to edit. So you can click on edit profile to edit whatever you want to edit. You can click on share right here to share your profile to your loved one, and then if you want to post anything on trend, you have to click on here to post whatever you want to post, and then right here you can type in whatever you want to type in into this trend. And then one very good thing about trend is that trend allow you to attach picture. So for you to attach a picture, you just have to click on here and you select the picture from your gallery. Then once you select the picture from your gallery, then you click on allow right here. Then you can pick any of the picture that you want to upload on the trend. Then I'm selecting on that one. I'll click on done, load up. So right here you can click on here to post your first on trend. So your post is going to be right here. So this is how you can install and how you can use Trend, a new social media platform that was introduced by Facebook. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about Trend and some other social media platform. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.